Hello YouTube, this is my unboxing of my own product, the V-Gauge. This is the box you will get it in, and this is just a sticker I made out of fun. You will have, of course, the other sticker with the addresses, yours and mine, on here. And without further ado, let me open it up. So this is what you will be greeted with. First of all, this is just a wiring manual, and instruction will be following also. This is just something to show you now how the pins are connected and what goes where. And this is just a test. So you will have packaging. If I'm lucky, this will go on Indiegogo, and if I get a lot of orders, I will get a foam cutter or build one, and all this bubble wrap will be gone, and there will be a nice foam inlay with the cutout for the V-Gauge itself, and that's how you will get it then. But for now, this is how you will get it. So this is the V-Gauge with the carbon fiber front. Put this aside. This is the black box. I think I taped this up. Oh. So this is the black box that you have all the wire connections and a rotary encoder for the shift light, and you will also get a HDMI cable. The colors may vary. This is what I have right now. So this is basically it. If you order something else with it, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make that an option to get magnetic holders, because everybody wants probably something else. So the product itself, let me put this aside. The V-Gauge itself has the metal plate on the back, of course, so the magnetic holders will hold on to this securely. I had one here in, so I'll just unstick the one from my desk. So this is it when you have it in your car, on your window. This is how you mount it. And as you might have seen before, V-Gauge has a show-off mode because it has a battery inside. And this is the special custom bootloader with a nice sound. This might change too. I might take it off. I don't know if it's gonna bother people or not. And these are the codes that you will get on the V-Gauge, and these will increase in number. This is a boost gauge code, and this is the voltmeter, your RPM, and your GPS speed, and I showed all that before. Don't mind the little wrong cutoffs on the carbon fiber. These will be fixed. This was my first order, and I by accident sent out the wrong DXF file, and so I will order them this week actually. Well, it's Friday, but 1 second, I will be back in a second. Wasn't that far away. So these are the carbon fiber fronts. They are, don't I have, oh, I have an unwrapped one here. They are matte on one side, that's the matte side, and glossy on the other. So you don't have to decide which one you like better. You can just put them on there, and if you don't like them, unscrew the 8 screws here, flip it, put it on there, and you will have the other version. So as I said, I will remake those, have them remade. These are 0.5 millimeter real carbon fiber with a 12 weave, and they are CNC cut. Obviously there's no other way you could cut this precise. Anyhow, that was the unboxing. That's how you will get it. I have sold a few already, and I have still a few more left that I can sell before it goes on Indiegogo. and after Indiegogo it will go on Tindie, on my web store on Tindie. And if I do get a lot of orders, I will make my own web page and sell them from there. So this is the V-Gauge. I'm sure you have seen it. And I'm also thinking about having a carbon fiber on the back, because I honestly don't like the back and I don't like the exposed pins here. These are for the LEDs, this is for the HDMI connector. And I will have probably one on the back, obviously without the holes, just the 8 holes for the screws, and so it will look good on both sides. So I will probably go with that. I'm also working on an OBD version, and I'm working on a CAN version with a friend from Australia, from Dave. Thank you to him. And this will get only better. This is right now for any older cars that are out there. For example, mine. It's a 96 Alpha with no OBD. And with that you can just connect it to the sensors directly and have it also in your car. And this is it. Anything else? I'm sure after I turn it off I will come up with something else I was gonna say and forgot. Anyhow, this was just an unboxing real quick, and thank you for watching. And if you want to buy one, please send me your email or get in touch with me through Tindie, and I will get back to you with the specifics and your orders, because you can choose what you want on the bottom 3. Well, this one you can change yourself. These 2 you can choose what you want as a gauge, and I will upload them for you. Thanks for watching and take care, YouTube.